Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add text in Shotcut step-by-step guide Shotcut tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open the Shotcut app onto your device. And once you're already in, we'll just have to drag and drop the clip first that we want to use. So we're going to add a clip here. And once you have added that, let's adjust it first. We're going to go ahead and add in a filter to add in the text. So we could find the text effects here under filters. We'll just have to click onto the plus icon in here and onto the search bar. We'll type in text. So we have different options in here. We're going to choose text rich. So once you have chosen that, it will open something like this. So if you've noticed, there are different options here onto the upper part. You'll just have to click onto the space here onto the middle or this box to type in your text. So for example, we're going to add here text. Right after, we could go ahead and move that one here onto the center, adjust its font size. So you could use the up arrow or down arrow to change the size, or you could manually type it in here. Choose the font as well by clicking this. Just choose which one you prefer. Click on OK to apply that, and to change its color, click onto this box here. So for example, we're going to go ahead and use black. So click on OK, and it should go ahead and change the color of the text. So we're going to go ahead and move this so that we could go ahead and adjust this. So put it here onto the bottom left of the screen, just like this. And if you do a quick preview, it should be added here onto our clip. So we're gonna close this one out. And as you can see, that is how you could add a text here on Shotcut. If you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.